Mr. Manri, sir. Dr. Hari Kumar, Irada, Thomas Vincent, Umesh D. Kumar.
Profiles, H&M Corner Productions for construction. I have been in the industry for the past 2 decades, and VDA has given us a great platform to be with tycoons, get groomed from tycoons who have already been very successful in business, lot of guidance, and I think we are on the way to become such tycoons. Thank you.
Monitor, your success. There will be a book given where we film every single month, so you will get to know that how well you're performing. That is something which has given me a great boost to enhance my business. The second thing is how to wear different hats. Okay, when you're playing a different role as an entrepreneur, because it is very, very important for any entrepreneur to wear a different hats when you're playing different roles. So this is my short journey. Thank you.
ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಮತ್ತು ಅರ್ಜುನ ಇಬ್ಬರು ವಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಒಬ್ಬ ಬಡ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅರ್ಜುನ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಜುನಿಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತುಂಬ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅವನು. ಸೊ ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಚಿನ್ನದ ನಾಣಿಗಳ ಚೀಲ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಡ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣಿಗೆ ತಗೊಳಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಎರಾಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಪೋರ್ನೆಸ್, ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಹಿಮ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಆ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕನಿಗೆ 100 ಚಿನ್ನದ ಹೊರೆಗಳು ಒಂದು ಚೀಲ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಮೇಝಿಂಗ್, ಸ್ವರ್ಗ ಕೈಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ. ಒಂದು ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ, ಬಿಕೇಮ್ ಬಿಗ್, ನಂಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒಬ್ಬ ದೊರಡೆ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಕಳ್ಳ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಆದರೆ ವೆರಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ empty hand again. Yes, he thought it's only for me. But when he got little, he thought about other form of life. He did not thought about that. ನಾಲ್ಕಾಣಿ ಅವ್ನು ನನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ನು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಯಾವುದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ? He thought about other form of life. That's where the secret for greatness comes. As we, human beings, we think about other form of life beings, anything, or life or non-life. So business owners are the people. I'm a business owner. So I just want to say, how did I started my great success journey? When I started my printing press, I failed. Failed in marketing, failed in finance. Some 80,000 rupees loan became 8 lakh rupees. Learned all the habits of youth. Smoking, sorry, not smoking. Okay, smoking is one thing I hate from the childhood. Drinking, gossip, loans, went upon many things. Got transformed in 1988 with one of the self-development workshop. One formula, for which we will be discussing today. The formula for becoming great to achieve success. Can anybody guess now?
Business Secrets, penned by Mr. V.R. Satyanarayana. Behind the brain behind Consumax and Business Tycoon Academy.
Started with one-man show with 225 rupees turnover of door-to-door marketing company, having 8 lakh rupees loan, Kannada medium, Innovation, ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಹೌ ಟು ಗ್ರೋ. ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರ ಸಾಲಗಾರ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಒಂದೇ ದಿನಪ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡನವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್, ಸಂಜೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಎರಡನೇದು, ಆ ಏಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಯೂತ್. ನಮಗೆ ಬರೋಂಥವರೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಚಪ್ಪಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇನ್ಶರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. They don't know how to speak exactly. So different parts of Karnataka, they come for an interview, we train them on rigorous sales training, attitude, knowledge, skill, we invite in them. ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ 8 ರಿಂದ 10 ಅವರು ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, and they get 99% rejection. And I'm a product of door marketing. I feel so proud that any kind of rejection I can withstand. You know why? ಮುಂಜಾರಪ್ಪ ಬೇಡ. ಭಿಕ್ಷಕನಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕರುಣೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ಮನ್ಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎನಿ ಲ್ಯಾಬೊರೇಟರಿ ಫಾರ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. We have a laboratory for science. So we can do something and we'll come to know what happens. But in business matter, for us laboratory is the real life, real business. You have to invest money. You have to invest time. But the later result, पता नहीं है. Positive होगा या minus or minus or minus. So many times what happens, we are directionless. We are energyless because we lost the money, enthusiasm, zeal, don't know, got stuck. Business Tycoon Academy's vision is to inspire business owners, buy a business owner. I'm not a coach, I'm a business owner. I have multiple businesses. So we say, like, we help each other to build a dream empire in a short period of time. So Business Tycoon Academy helps in 6 core areas to build anybody's business. Let it be your manufacturing segment, service, trading, you name it, any segment has got some 6 areas. 1, your business. What's your definition of business? May I take some liberty to ask? Anybody business tycoons here? Well, thank you so much for Anand. Okay, it's not a business, it's a body. How somebody has achieved a great result. That's what I started doing. 1,800 people, they think I coached them. I'm sorry, I learned from them. From where the profit gets, diluted, save the profit, hold the profit, multiple source of incomes. And last comes, like Raman was mentioned here, very important aspect of take care of the nature, socio-ecology. Now business owners ಏನು ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಭೂಮಿಗೆ. How long you go on only taking, if you don't give back, what happens? ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That day I decided, yeah, this is what I am taking as a target for my life on 40th year, my birthday. I work for it, sir. Thank you so much.
Consumer world.
As far as these awards are concerned, as you are chairman of the jury, thank you, Mr. Manada. I also thank Dr. Murali Krishna, who spent our time with us in absentia. On behalf of all of you, I thank him. I also thank Mr. Manoli, former Commissioner, Commercial Taxes in absentia, on behalf of all of you in our Karnataka. And his personal experience he has shared with us and it is the right opportunity that all the startups and young entrepreneurs should utilize these services. Not only that, friends, I also congratulate all the awardees and my best wishes for the next year awardees. They are going to increase the awards also, and I request all of you to try for your awards and become, whenever you have any doubts, you can talk to Satyanarayana and he will be able to guide us, sir. Of course, I am also running 5 industries in Karnataka, and we have exported to 4 countries. After seeing his speech, I also feel that once I should go to Satyanarayana and try to spend one day and try to know what type of courses he is conducting. And of course, that is not only for me. I have a lot of students with us actually from FKCCI, and we will be able to train them also. I request Satyanarayana to come to FKCCI once, and I will send you the invitation and give a lecture on the entrepreneurship. In fact, that is my pet subject. When I was the president of FKCCI in 2005 and 6, I used to visit so many colleges and tell them all these postgraduate MBA courses are not job-oriented courses. It is an entrepreneurship-oriented courses. This is what we should conduct the faculty and see that all these MBA postgraduate students should become the entrepreneurship. I think.
My name is R. Shivakumar, Chairman of SHM, Karnataka. Today, Associate Chamber of Commerce is arranged the MSME award function at Bangalore, along with Consumer Goods and Tycoon Award group. We recognize 45 MSME industrialists and entrepreneurs, those who served in hospital industry, hotel industry, service industry, transport industry, and small-scale industries, automobile, many industries we recognize today. The intention of encouraging the entrepreneurs is to encourage them to become successful entrepreneurs so that they can develop their industries in Karnataka. And we as SHM want to do this celebration and awarding the entrepreneurs every year. In future also, even in 2017 also, we are going to same award, MSME award we are arranging in a better fashion and better way to recognize our MSME entrepreneurs. Thank you.
Sir, what is the criteria for selecting these MSMEs for this SHM award?
First case, those who are emerging tycoons or pioneers, those who served and done their business 15 years and that. They are the tycoons in the business and they got an award. And those who got more employment opportunity to the people in Karnataka. The second one, those who are doing above 5 years and up to 10 years or 10 years plus, they are also recognized. The other award is startups, those who started 1 year or just started. All those people also encourage them. The startup awards is given today. The Honorable Ramlinga Reddy is also spoken today, and he said nice words about the entrepreneurs. And also he given a comparison with the KSRTC. With these words, I once again inform to all our MSME, please participate every year and bag your awards.